I'm going to do an X. Oh, wow. Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are dressed up again. Today we are filming another, today I am filming another get ready with me video. I'm meeting my friends for brunch. I've not seen these friends in like 2 years. This pandemic, guys, it's actually been insane. So meeting my two best friends for brunch today. So I wanted to bring you guys along on the get ready with me journey. Today, the main star of the show is going to be the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. I've heard so much stuff about this setting spray, and I think in this climate of mask wearing in public while you also wear makeup, I think everyone who wears makeup's goal is literally just to find a way so that their makeup does not all end up on their mask and that their makeup stays on their face. That has been my goal for the longest time. I've done a couple of videos on this. I'm yet to find a foolproof solution to this issue, so giving this setting spray a try today. Yeah, that is pretty much everything. My camera is flashing red, so let's just jump straight into the video. Hi guys. Okay, so we're just gonna jump straight into it. I brought you in close. As always, I'm very disorganized down here, and as always, I'm in a rush. Like I said in my intro, today we are trying out a new product. Today we are trying out the Urban Decay All-Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. Wow, we're trying out this today. So where to begin? Where's my foundation? I have tanned quite a bit, so I'm not sure. I've tanned a bit since the last video where I said I tanned. I've tanned more, so I'm not sure if this foundation is going to be my color, but we're going to see how we go. I have my Good Mela the blender here, and I'm going to spray it with my Vanish Vitamin C Beauty Elixir. This will just, you know, help everything to stay on the face. And I'm going in with my NYX Born to Glow foundation in the color Cappuccino. I'm going out for brunch today, so I want to look cute. I've already done skincare, by the way. Yeah, this is looking a bit light, but hopefully it will, you know, blend out and not be so crazy on me. And I am wearing the Black Girl sunscreen underneath, so I already have a nice kind of glowy base going on. Might need a bit more foundation on. I don't know if I should bring it even closer. Wow, that is close. You can see my skin a bit better and how we're doing. So I think I could probably stay like this, but we're going out, so I'm gonna put on another layer, although actually this has kind of gone on really well. I don't think I really need any more foundation, so let me just do like a tiny bit more. That's actually quite a lot more. Actually quite a lot. My main thing is just going to be to cover up my dark spots. Really, I should just get a concealer, but I don't know where I put that. I really love this sponge because it just goes, it really blends your makeup out really nicely, kind of almost airbrushed in a way, and it just looks so like smooth. Like it really does make you look a bit more smooth. And then with whatever's left, just gonna like really dab that on places that need it. Cool. So next we're gonna do blush. We're gonna use the Good Mela Flush Blush. In my last video we used Goody, but today we're gonna use LBV just so we can see what it looks like on the face. So I've just got my fluffy brush again. It's so dirty. It's gonna go in with LBV. It is a nice what do you call it? It's a nice like pink color, but when it goes on the face it's not super pink, it's not super crazy. So if you don't like, actually let's use this brush instead. Got my fluffy NYX brush. Just gonna swirl that around, really tap off that excess, and just gonna tap it on the cheeks like so. So you see how it's like just purple, like it's not like too crazy. I think I did put on quite a lot, so it's a bit more, but it's like very customizable. You don't have to put on so much. Yeah, that looks a bit crazy, but this is pretty much LBV. I think it's cute. To be honest, I think out of LBV and Goody, I prefer Goody because that orange is undefeated. It literally is amazing. But for the purposes of today, also I don't know what I want to wear today. I'm going out for brunch today, like I said, and I have no idea what I'm going to wear today. So hopefully this will match with whatever I decide to wear. And then, like I say, I like to put blush like literally all over the place just so there's a bit more cohesion. And I like to put blush on my lids. So I'm just going to get my finger and just like rub it on and then just put it on my lid. I don't know where I put my eyeshadow brushes. Yeah, do you know what? I don't think I like that so much. It's okay, but I'm not really a big fan of that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take Goody This is what Goody looks like. Goody is a nice like orange, like burnt orange colour. If you watch my previous Get Ready With Me video, then you will see what Goody looks like on. I'm just going to put that on the top, over the lids. And then I'm going to go over LBV with a bit of Goody, just to kind of mellow out that colour. And to give me a little bit more, give me a bit more colour, and just to kind of make it less crazy. I literally look so crazy right now, but we will fix that. And then because I literally look like Krusty the Clown, I'm just gonna go over this with the foundation sponge just to mellow it out so that it's not too wild. So we still have a bit of colour, but it's like less crazy. Nice bit of rosiness. I don't know, that's so cute. Like, it's so subtle and it looks more natural. It's a more flushed kind of look. I think definitely Goody is definitely my favourite. Like, it just has like a different kind of feel to it. I might put some more Goody on actually. And then what we're gonna do is, I'm just using the same brush for everything, which I don't know if that's good or not, but whatever. Just gonna do some bronzer. So this is the Revolution Glow Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer in the colour Dark. This is what dark looks like. I don't know, the light's not that representation of what it is. And then I'm just gonna go over this so we have a bit of colour. Like I said, I'm a bit tanned, so I do want to look a bit more like matching to my body. So I think the bronzer will just help to even out my face a bit more. Literally just gonna put that everywhere, really. Oh, hello. I look so bronzed. Like, I literally look so bronzed. I look like I've been on the sunbeds. Like, I actually look sunburnt almost. This mess I've made down here, ridiculous. So now that that's on, we're gonna do mascara. This is the Rodial Glamour Lash Mascara in black XXL. I definitely went overboard with the bronzer because I literally look sunburnt. I actually look so sunburnt. Wow. And yeah, just gonna whack this on. Do a couple coats of this. Oh, hello. Oh, that's really nice. Just gonna go over this a bit more. So definitely gone overboard with the makeup today. I'm just gonna like go over my face with a foundation sponge just to really tone it down a bit, because I think I've done too much by my own standards. This is not natural girl glam at all. This is very like intense, but I think it's the lashes have just really taken this to a whole new level. Before I count myself out, I think it's not good to use the same brush, but I'm just gonna do a bit more blush just to kind of mellow out the pink and to give me more of a like orangey finish. This blush is very like pigmented, like it's very pigmented, so you get a lot of colour. So that's that done for now, I guess. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray my face using the iconic, ooh, let's give this a shake. So even though today's video is about this setting spray, I just want to spray my face using this iconic London spray just to give me back some glow, because I feel like I just look really dry and I don't like that. Like, I don't like how dry I look. I love the glow that this gives. This gives a really nice glow and this lasts all day long. My lashes are stuck together. Oh, this smells amazing. I literally have half a mind to take everything off and start again. Like, I just don't really like how I look today. I look very like over the top. Okay, do you know what? That will have to do. I'm pretty sure maybe once I've like finished getting dressed and I've got my hair and my earrings on and like my dress and stuff, I might feel a bit less clown-like. I might take a selfie as well just to check what I actually look like. But anyway guys, so makeup is done. I'm gonna now quickly run and get dressed, and then when I get back we're gonna talk about the main star of the show, which is the Urban Decay setting spray. So I'll see you guys in just a second. Hi guys, so I'm back, I'm dressed. I've just had a mini bit of a meltdown because I thought that my makeup looked too much and I felt like I just looked a bit not like myself, but my sister's reassured me that I look the same as I always do, so we're ready to roll. I am wearing a really cute cowl neck dress from Nasty Gal. I'm gonna try and get a picture of my outfit today so you can see what I'm looking like. I feel like I'm looking quite dressy for brunch, but you know, seeing my friends who I've literally not seen in about 2 years because of this pandemic has just made it impossible for us to meet up. So this is the look, I guess. Let me show you. Got my, ooh, sexy, huh? It definitely looks a bit more exciting. It looks a bit dressy for the daytime, but whatever. My chest is looking very, like up close, it looks very dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this iconic London spray and I'm gonna just like shake it on my chest, on my décolletage. I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to like wipe that all in just to give me a bit of a glow. And luckily for me, this brush has some other makeup on it, so it's just going to help blend out my makeup as well. I should really just get like another brush to do this with, but CBA. But yeah, I feel like that looks much better, doesn't it? Yeah, looks much better. Nice bit of glow, nice bit of glow. So now guys, for the main star of today's show, what we've been waiting all video for. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. I have heard so much good stuff about this spray. I've read so many reviews. I've heard so many people say that this has been really helpful for keeping their makeup on their face and off their mask. I'm still wearing my mask every time I go out, and because I'm wearing makeup as well, I found that my makeup is always transferring onto the inside of my mask. No matter what I do, no matter what product I use, I'm always getting transfer. I think apart from when I use my NYX setting powder, I tend to just get the most ridiculous amount of transfer. This Prep Set Glow thing I thought would help to set the makeup and reduce mask transfer is a myth. This does not do anything to your face. It just makes you look glowy. Whenever I wear a mask with this and I take off my mask, it's like the top half of my face is still super glowy all day long, but the bottom half that's had the mask on just evaporates. So trying out this, I got this from ASOS. This was £12 on ASOS. This is the travel size one, but it does come in a bigger one that is £26 I think if you look on, I think, Cult Beauty or some other websites. But I just wanted to get the smaller one because I wanted to give it a try. And just some quick information on the back of the box. They say stop makeup meltdown with this groundbreaking tested formula. All-nighter mists on weightlessly to keep your makeup looking gorgeously, just applied for up to 16 hours without melting, cracking, fading or settling into fine lines. The result, smoother looking skin and vibrant makeup that lasts all day, and this is for all skin types. So let me open it. Oh, okay, and this is what the bottle looks like. The bottle looks a bit crusty. Very crusty. This is what it looks like. So you're supposed to shake well, and then you need to mist the face 2 to 4 times in an X and T formation. So let's try it out. Okay, I'm gonna do an X. Oh, wow. So it's got this, so it's got an outer protective thing. I think this is for travel, so if you want to put this into your bag so it doesn't like spray everywhere, it's got like an outer protective thing on it, which is pretty cool. So it's got that, interesting, and then it's got the inner thing as well. So let's try. I'm so nervous about this. So it says an X and T formation, and we need to do this like 2 to 4 times. Oh, I'm gonna try this again as well. I just don't know if I've done enough. That is just gonna have to do. I'm not gonna know the effectiveness of this spray until I get back this evening, so I will try, let me remember, to at least take a picture of what my face looks like so we can see what everything looks like. But this is pretty much us done. Alright, no, we're literally not done. We're nowhere near finished. How could I forget? My camera is flashing red, so let me move as fast as I can. Doing earrings today. I don't know what earrings I want to wear. Let's see. What earrings look good? I want to do a hoop earring. Will I have hoop earrings? Kind of think maybe something like this could be cute. Don't want to do too much though, but I'm like, when you know when you see your friends for the first time in ages and you just want to look really cute, that is definitely the vibe that I have right now. I just want to look really nice and cute. It's funny when they say that girls like dress up to impress their friends, because I think that's definitely the vibe. Like, you just want to look cute so you all look good together, you know. I think, yeah, we're gonna do these. These are earrings that I got from ASOS, and they're from Accessorize, but I bought them on ASOS and I just love them. And yes, this is the look. Literally so cute. You know, I'm very much into that. I think my breakdown was very unnecessary this morning. And then to finish off the look, I'm going in with my Fresh Sugar Mint Rush lip treatment. Just gonna whack this on my lips. Gives you a nice like lip finish. I do prefer the other lip balm, but I do like this one. I don't know, like, I'm looking quite dry down here, so just need to keep an eye on that. But I think I'm going to take a few bits with me anyway, just to make sure that I look nude. Okay, I really feel like that is us done for the day. I cannot wait to see how this setting spray works today. I will keep you guys posted, of course. Same makeup look as always. We look a bit dressy today, but yeah, I feel like that is everything. If you guys have any questions, as always, let me know down below in the comments. Everything is going to be listed down below, so makeup, jewelry, dress, setting sprays, everything is linked down below in the description box. I hope you guys have a lovely day. I'm so excited to see my friends. It has been way too long, so I'm going to end this video here. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and in the meantime, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.